just wanted to post up to let you guys know that I'm still alive and kicking. Just got a little park POV for you guys today. There won't be much audio as I want you to enjoy the footage that I've taken. Enjoy! Squirrel there. Don't know if that was picked up on camera. There is a little squirrel on the pathway. To the right, there's another entrance. There's a squirrel again. Might be able to see it hop in next to the tree. Yeah, that's another entrance. A bit further into the park over there. Go this way though. Just move the camera away from any of the kids in the park or anyone, because I don't want to get any photos of people. I will do just little pan shots. Nice little swing that's just been added back into the park again. It's actually quite a nice day, even though it's windy. Don't worry, I'm not filming there. Don't worry. See, it's always nice in this park because there's lots of friendly faces. I've been coming here for over 20 years now, and they have been renovating the park quite nicely. It is very well looked after. And they're starting to think more about having kids areas as well. Unfortunately, just over sorry, I'm just getting used to the camera. Just over in that direction, Yeah, there we go. In that direction there was a wooden castle, but it got burnt down. So yeah, that was a little bit bad. And I think about not putting that back up again. Unfortunately, there's always a couple of people that ruin it. Sorry, my camera just told me off because it's got low battery. I hope you liked the little walk of the park. If you enjoyed this, give me a like, comment, and a sub would do me well. And ring that notification bell. Even though this channel isn't as big as it used to be, I'll be trying to post a little bit more.